Tikang.
Don't get scared. If you run, you will run maybe 10 feet. Touch it. Touch it with your feet.
Oh.
That's it. If you want him to go, touch him.
Kick.
Give him a hug with your feet.
In my feet.
Ah, okay lang kay iya mang gunitan.
Oh.
Buang. Naka-injure. Dance.
Go Dancer, go.
Go! No, he cannot go very far.
Bumay, pagtaro.
Wait.
Bumay sa kapaduli, pagtaro.
Make him go.
Go.
Ay, mo train.
Say whoa.
Kapag shot mo, kaya ang guwapo ang gawin.
Si Ate Junior. Anong makamatay man? Kuyo, gano'n ka?
Dugay-dugay na imuha tayo jingle na.
Bayad na, wala ko bayad.
Dugay-dugay lang yung mga tijingo siya.
12 per hour.
I'm done, Justin. It's June's turn.
Uncle is done.
Thank you,
She's
Dancer. Thank you.
Yung pangalan mo, dancer?
Yeah.
Grab the horn.
And then?
Kano na?
Kanta, balik ko sab, balik ko sab.
O, balik ka.
Oo, second tayo ground.
Wala ka cute! Dancer, you're tired eh! Dancer!
Let's go, bumi sa kanta. Hoy.
Even if you start running a bit, don't get scared. He will stop in 10 feet. There is no place he can go to run.
Yeah. Go, Balet, go!
Balat, ibutan yung kan siya.
Yan. Yung tail.
Oh, like that.
Alright, Badet. Oh. Oh.
Tali ko na ba dito? Tatubangan.
Yes.
Badet, mabangga.
Badet.
Now pull the right.
Hold the right.
Right.
Right. Yep. Hey, sipa ka.
Sipa,
Sige na.
yan, kuhan. Yung
Na.
body language, Badat. Body language.
Yan.
Go.
Hello, kanindot yung Badet. Badet.
Ay, ko diha pa ko na
Badet.
bahala ka din.
Badet, bibidyohan ka Badet. Badet, di. Badet.
Padool, Badat, kay bidyuhan ka.
Dire.
Na, sige na.
Na, yes.
Oras ba dito?
Dire, Badet. Yes. Wala kasi Badet.
Ikapoy.
I-video na ko. Wala.
Badet, Badet.
Wala, grabe ni Badet, oh. Badet.
Naghahanap na. Sabi, pinastop.
Ah.
Hey, you want to go by yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, try Ate Jingo.
Me, Bumay likes it, not me.
Ala.
Ano, oh, cute
Ah,
oh.
lagi. Slow na ba? Yeah, it's good eh. Riding the horse.
Bring the horse here. Oh, you want some oats?
Nagladad yung kaon.
When you get on the horse will take him 5 seconds. He know he's going to be the boss or he's going to be the boss.
Ah, okay.
Now
He's
he-
the boss.
Now he-
You should follow Dancer.
Yeah.
Hello. Hey, pull to the right and bang him to the pull to the left, bang him to the right. He cannot boss you.
Patiri, ayaw ko andad. Left niya,
Get
kung sa
aside.
right. Kasi mutuwad ka ha? Gidad, go. Oh, na.
Oh, kana.
Ah?
Ala, wa na gid na gi ko na
See what he do with his tongue?
Yeah.
When he does that, he's telling you, I don't know what you want.
I don't
Look at
know
his tongue.
what-
Hmm.
They all do that.
Oh. They're smart, eh?
See, with his tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Nandad. Nandad.
Dying down.
Ah.
Good boy.
He's a good fellow. He's a good guy.
Ah.
He's my buddy.
Yeah. Good boy.
Good boy.
Sit there, I will bring him to you. No, you can sit there.
Yeah,
Yeah, daddy.
better.
Daddy. Uy, daddy.
Lalalala.
Huh?
Struck me how to guide this thing. Which is not
Daddy,
very much.
mamulak
Left to go to the left, right to go to the right.
Yep.
And when you want him to go,
Then and to stop it.
stop it. You pull back,
Yep.
and you say whoa.
Okay.
And keep the rein.
Whoa means
As soon as you go,
stop.
you don't put pressure on his face. You release. See,
Yeah.
that have to be loose.
Okay, like that.
Mga paparazzi.
Oh yeah, you can do by yourself.
Ah.
Sige,
You
dad,
fall in
try.
the snow.
Yeah, yeah. Pull.
No, that guy is really good.
Okay.
May musakay. Maski kabayo or matao.
Wow, nice to see you. Shout out sa.
Wow, may pa si daddy.
Ah.
Alam siya pa dagana, dad, ha? Just dance or walk.
See what he do with his feet? That keep the horse going all the time.
Ah,
Oh.
okay. If we have to do like that.
That tell him to go.
Ah, okay.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Tapos kuya.
Ay, nose.
Do you want to ride?
No, I'm good now. Yeah, but yeah, it's nice, eh?
Yeah, it's nice. I want to know more like alone. But I'm
See?
scared.
He's very smooth guy.
Yeah. Yeah, try alone, Ate Jingle.
Everybody scares the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I tried it once in our place in Baguio, but I didn't try that big. It's like a pony.
Can I try alone? Justin,
Right?
can I try alone?
You?
Yeah,
You seen how you do it?
I'll try. You want, Bumay?
Because you pull on the ring, you give him good different signal. He said the horse, go, stop, go, stop. See? You got this ring style and you hit it.
Yeah.
Loosen
Dad.
up the ring. Yeah. Touch him now.
No, Dad.
When
we
you
don't-
pull to him, it means to stop.
Stop.
Just touch him, press him, and pull him on one side.
Here.
On the rein, pull on the rein on one side.
Like that.
Yeah. And touch him and keep your feet there.